Hey YouTube, how's you going there, buddies? Welcome to another episode of Three Toe Customs. I'm Three Toe Joe. If you didn't know, well now you know. What do we got going on for you today? Well, today, buddies, we're gonna get muddy, buddy. But before we do that, we're gonna install a 4,500-pound Super ATV Black Ops Series winch onto our Razor 900 here. Yeah, pretty much a continuance on from our episode from last week where we put on the KFI winch mount plate. You guys can check that out up here or up here, whichever side she pops up on. So anyways, if that's something that interests you, then follow along, because today we're getting muddy. Ho! And while the intro is playing, it's a great time to take a second to smash that subscribe and notification button. Don't forget that like button too. It really goes a long way towards helping me build my channel, eh, boys? There you go. Super ATV 4,500-pound Black Ops Series winch. Nice. 50 feet of synthetic line. Ready to roll. No dicking around. You guys probably already checked out the video from last week where we installed the winch mount plate. So you guys can just check that out up there. And for the rest of you guys who didn't and who just came around for the winch install, just get right to her, mice. Alright, so as you can see, the winch fits in there, no problem at all. Slides right in there. Don't need to do anything else, take anything else apart. So we'll just go right ahead. Okay, so we're going to start getting our fair lead on here. So just so you guys notice, there's a recess side on the holes here. And there's two bolts that also come with Allen key head style. So that's what you're going to be using. So make sure when you put them in there, you don't specify that in the instructions. So it goes in there so it's nice and slick and smooth like that. You see? And that's easy as pie. Just mounts up to there like that. And go ahead and you'll get your bolts on, tighten the bolts on. And make sure you get your lock washers on the back and stuff. But yeah, that's all she goes down to her. That's all she is to her. So we'll go ahead and we'll get that tightened up. You guys join back here in a minute. Go. Black on black on black on black. Nice. Get this retracted in. That's where that's going to live for a while now. Alright, so we're going to start running our wires here. Thanks Super ATV for giving us all our wires all ready, pretty much ready to go here, plug and play. Basically we got our yellow and blue wire. These go from our winch to our box, to our solenoid switch. And then we got our main power and red yellow wire that'll go from our battery to our solenoid switch. So we're going to go ahead and get these run. How's that sound? Okay, as you can see, we have our battery all disconnected here. We have our center console removed so we can make clear route for our wires here to go through. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this all installed for you. trick for starting your wires here. You want to start them coming in from this side here, going out that way. It'll be easier to catch them when you fish it through. Okay, so here are wires coming right up straight down through the center of the firewall. Grab one of these guys. Okay, so thankfully Super ATV sent us some extra connectors and some extra shrink tubes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to just cut these, make them a bit shorter so we don't have a ton of excess wire kicking around in here. And yeah, I mean, that's what we'll do. We'll just give her a cut and we'll get her shrunk down and get her reattached. No biggie biggie. He's just like a professional. Alright, so now that we have our power and ground ran from the battery to the front here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hook our blue and yellow wires up onto our winch. They're a little bit long, so we're not going to cut them just yet. We're going to hook them to the winch first, and then we're going to cut the excess off at the end, which is a smarter thing to do. You don't want to go guessing that and then run short on your wires, so we'll give you a quick show here. So yeah, anyways, yellow, blue, easy, easy peasy, easy peasy, up breezy, yellow, blue. So here we go. We're gonna hook up our distribution block here, so it's got everything on here, pretty damn easy for you. It's all color coded and everything. Battery plus, negative, winch plus, negative, red, black, yellow, blue. Okay, so we decided to mount our splitter here. I drilled some holes and I bolted it right to the frame. Whatever, it was a lot easier than trying to get up into here. So this is where she's gonna live. Easy to get at, easy peasy, good to go. We're gonna wire this thing up and be done with her. We got all our winch installed. We got our distribution block installed, all wired up. So now the only thing left is to hook our switch up. And then we can hook our power up and give this winch a test. See if we did everything right. Woohoo! Come on, let's get her in. Okay, so the hookup for the winch is nice. Just a simple screw and plug. Pretty much no guessing. Nice secure lock screw on type connector. So we'll probably go and throw some electrical tape around this when we're done to make her sealed up a little better. And then this red wire here, this goes to a 12-volt power source. I'm going to send it to this 12-volt power source. Okay, so from there, pretty easy. We're just going to run this right through here. We're going to sneak into here under our dash area. Nice and easy breezy. We're going to find a nice spot to stick this switch. See one. Alright, winch is all fucking hooked up, ready to go. I think everything's good. We're going to turn on the power and give her a little test before we tighten up the wires and put everything away. Hopefully if we did this right. Oh, nice. Woohoo, we have a winch. There you go, boys. There you have it. Super ATV 4,500 pound Black Ops Series winch all installed, ready to rock. We're going to go out. We're going to get muddy. We're going to get stuck. We're going to put this thing to the ultimate test. How's that sound? So you guys might want to stick around and check that out. So grab your mudding gear and let's go. We're going to get muddy, buddy. I think it's a good thing I gave you my phone. Helps if you lock the winch.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad this is the only fucking spot we're gonna get stuck today. Oh. They should make automatic battery fucking locks for winches so you don't have to get out and fucking.
At least the bottom half of you will be clean.
Can't fuck a winch. Oh, there it is. Man, I'm fucking glad I didn't decide to go through this yesterday, though. Or Monday, I mean. Yeah, that'll. I was like, I better fucking pull up on the side. I really hope I make it to that thing. You can probably pause that.